In this video, we're going to show you how we fit our skirtings and architraves, supplied to us by MDFwarehouse.com. Just a quick time lapse of the plastering, and we'll get straight into it. Enjoy.
This room is almost plastered. Ceiling done. That wall in front is done. That wall's done. And architraves are just finishing off that wall. So that's so all that's left to do is that wall there.
So these are doors, just hung the doors, and now we're ready to do the skirting and architrave, supplied to us by MDFwarehouse.com. All nicely packaged, as you can see. That's the architrave just there, and there's the skirting underneath. Yeah. So we'll start fitting this then. Hi guys, so today we're going to fix all the architrave and skirting in this room, supplied to us by MDFwarehouse.com. Very good service. This is us doing the architrave and the skirting to match.
Okay guys, right now it's time to start fixing the architrave. Everyone does it differently. We prefer to use just a general purpose silicone and then pin it. Obviously keeping the mitres very, very tight. Here we go. As you can see, using the packers to keep the distance the same, to keep it the same distance all the way from the door lining all the way down. There you go, easy as that. Okay, so same method with the skirting, general purpose silicone, and then pin it with the nail gun, second fix nail gun. Simple as that, and then just cork it over the top once you're ready to paint. This is obviously a room that's been done, all complete, obviously unpainted. So here's an example of the skirtings and architrave in one of the rooms that has finished. All looking lovely. Clean lines. The architrave's done over there as well. Looks really nice, all painted up white next to the oak doors. And there you go. Thanks again to mdfwarehouse.com. There'll be a link on the screen. Thoroughly recommend these guys. The product was great to work with, and the delivery time was very quick. Thanks again.
I've done this skirting in this room. That's the last bedroom downstairs. Skirting and architrave. All the architraves are on everywhere. Just got a bit of skirting. Little trim on the stairs up there where it joins. What a feeling! Oh,